This is a Cooper Sdoh FCI, Cooper Programmable Fault Indicator. These are programmable to detect either temporary or permanent faults. They come from the factory programmed for a permanent fault. The reset time is also programmable. From the factory, it comes with a 4-hour reset. There's been some trouble programming these in the field, and I had some trouble programming them right away myself. What made it go a bit easier was to use the actual tool that Cooper says to program these with. All it is a magnet wrapped in rubber. I tried with just a magnet I had laying around and wasn't very successful, so these tools make it a lot easier for some reason. To start the programming process, you stick the magnet next to the R that's painted on the side of the fault detector, and what you'll do is you'll hold that on there for 10 seconds until these LEDs flash yellow or orange. At that point, it will flash, the LEDs will flash green or red, telling you what the fault detector is currently programmed for. So we'll go ahead and stick it in programming mode. Put the magnet next to the R. Should see the LEDs blink orange. There, blinked orange. And now it'll show you what it's currently set up for. 2 blinks, that is the factory default of 4-hour reset time. It'll go through a little process here and show you that again, and then the last blink you'll see it'll be green red or red green. That indicates whether it's a permanent or temporary fault. Right there we had a green red. Green red is set up for permanent fault. So after it runs through that sequence, you can go through and put it back in program mode again. We'll look for the orange blink. There's the orange blink. And with that, you want to change the reset time. Touch the magnet to it within 5 seconds. We should index to 3 blinks on the green lights, which is 8 hours. That's only 2. Oh, it wasn't quick enough. So these are a little finicky to get that sequence down. Once you hit it in program mode, it says you have to touch the magnet to it within 5 seconds, so we'll put it back in program mode again here. Alright, back in program mode. We were set up for 4 hours. Let's put the magnet up there. We'll see if we can get it to index. There's 3 blinks, which is 8 hours. We'll hit it again. Still showing 3. There. Index to 4 blinks. That's 24 hours. And again, at the end, it went through a green-red, which is still in permanent fault. And you let it set for 10 seconds and you can put it back in program mode. Back in program mode with the orange blink at the beginning. We're in 2 red, that's a manual reset. 1, that's a 2-hour. 2, that's 8-hour, or excuse me, 4-hour. 3, 8-hour. There we go, now we're 4, 24 hours. green red shows us we're still in the permanent fault mode. To change it out of permanent fault mode into temporary, take the magnet tool, stick it next to the R, hold it there for 60 seconds according to the instructions. I've timed it. It's more along the lines of 50 seconds, but we'll see how long it takes here. Go. We just changed it from permanent fault mode to temporary. You can see it telling us 4 blinks. That's a 24-hour reset. And then the red-green signal at the end shows us we are in temporary mode.